Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2021 Nissan Rogue Sport. This Nissan is powered by front-wheel drive i4 engine, automatic transmission, and has manual. Discover your next adventure in this 2021 Nissan Rogue Sport. With its sleek design, fuel efficiency, and advanced features, it's perfect for both city drives and weekend getaways. Don't miss out, drive home in style today. This pre-owned Rogue Sport comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this Nissan Rogue Sport is equipped with touch screen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.